a month. Switch now and we'll even buy out your current contract. Visit us online or at a Sprint store today.
Well, it finally happened, Zachary. Somebody burned down my she shed.
Nobody burned down your she shed, Cheryl.
Well, my she shed's on fire.
Your she
A special weather statement issued at 4:26 a.m. The National Weather Service in Portland has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Pacific County in southwestern Washington until 5 a.m. At 4:25 a.m., Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This dangerous storm was located over Ilocos, or near Long Beach, and moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Long Beach, Ilocos, Nassau, Camerontown, Oceanside, Seaview, and Chinook. This includes the following highways in Washington: U. South, Highway 101 between mile markers 3 and 31. State Route 4 between mile markers 1 and 5. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are in a mobile home or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
The important part is you help them save.
Thanks, Flo.